They actually came?
They're here! Ready, battle stations, now!
They appeared out of nowhere. But how did they get in here?
It's an entire fleet of pirate ships!
Keep an eye out for Whitebeard. He must be there. Bohemia Knight Doma, Thunderlord Magai, the DeKalvin Brothers, Whirl Spider Squad! It's worse than we expected. They've got just about every big-time captain from the New World with them. We've counted 43 ships in total, and there's no sign of Whitebeard or the commanders. But every single one of them is a sworn ally of Whitebeard.